As you promised, here's an engaging and refreshing rewrite of the provided article. Please remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Imagine this in Tracker Season 2, Reenie's romance with Russell Shaw, Jensen Ackles is heating up. This love triangle has everyone talking. Is Colter Shaw ready to let go of Reenie's heart? But it's not all about the sparks flying between characters. While Reenie's chemistry with Hartley's Colter was electric, Season 2 of Tracker shows that romance just isn't on the cards as we initially expected. In a recent chat, the actor involved in the show had a lot to say about what lies ahead for Colter Shaw. I'm not sure Colter is ready for a relationship, he said. He's a bit of a hero, and if he had someone at home who relies on him, it might lose some of its impact. However, Tracker Season 2 wastes no time in sending her to another romantic partner, Russell Shaw. In an unexpected twist, Russell takes an immediate liking to Reenie and starts pursuing her once he sees her unique wit. He even invites her to join him on a beach vacation in Buenos Aires. Could Russell be the perfect match for Ree? Season 2 definitely shows potential for a new love story between Reenie and Russell. And then certainly, while it seems less exciting than the first potential pairing, their relationship appears stronger and healthier. Still, Colter retains a certain jealousy over Reenie's new beau. Despite this, Russell extended an invitation for dinner, which Reenie inevitably accepted. The future of their romance will be filled with many twists, turns, and perhaps even a little tension. After all relationships need a little bit of spice, right? It's yet to be seen if Colter will support Reenie and Russell's new romance. Only time will tell. Until next time, subscribe and like our channel. Thanks for watching.